TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. We have the Dow Industrials up 80. You got the Nasdaq up 1. S&Ps are up 650. Gold contract is up $9.70, trading at 11.47. Gold, folks, is on its way to the 11.65. It's already taken out a B point of an ABC structure on the way up intraday. You have silver up 27 cents at $15.98. Platinum is up 23 at $9.37. You get copper up to a penny and a half at $2.37. Light sweet crude's up 97 cents at $47.24 a barrel. Bonds, the 10-year is down 4 ticks, 128.22. 30-year is off a half a point, 15 ticks, 156.25. Both the 10 and the 30 are pulling back with lighter volume. They both want higher price. They both have a high volume spike. King dollar just can't handle higher price. Since August 7th, folks, King dollar has not even been able to get it to a swing point. It's down 290 ticks, 95.94. King dollar is going to wants to trade down to the lower end of this consolidation, which is the 95 to 92 area. The euro. You have the euro up 28 right now at 112, and you get the yen trading at 120.46. Now, what you have out here this morning is this. If we take a look at the S&P first, what you're going to see is that the SPY, bottom line, you went to a higher price yesterday, dramatically lower volume. You're going into the 18th of September, and that's where I expect you're going to see a failure here. The disconnect, the total disconnect, which is pretty cool, is inside the Qs. What you have out here this morning is this, is that the Qs can't get any traction, the NQs, and the main culprit inside these NQs happens to be the IBB. The IBB yesterday, folks, had failed on price, failed on volume. After the close out here, the IBB yesterday had traded up to a price point of 322. They closed at 308. Bottom line, you're at 308 right now. The inside that IBB, after the close yesterday, alumina come out with numbers. Alumina's trading down $24. That is going to continue to hammer the IBB, hammer the NQs, and that's where I suspect the weakness is going to come. That's where the last weakness came inside the market. Now, gold. What do we have with gold? You have it all. Wide price spread, accelerated volume once again, and what you have is this. The gold contract right now are up 10.50. Intraday, what it's already done is it's taken a B point out of an ABC structure on the way up. That says 11.65 is game inside the gold market. The swing high up there from the 24th of August is 11.69. I expect we're going to get into that area, and guess what? You can get into that area right here, right now, which is pretty amazing, meaning, 3, 4, 5 hours. Silver. What do you have in the silver market? Silver led the gold market up yesterday. What you have with silver is that silver right now is trading out at a price point of $15.95. It's already taken out its swing with volume. So silver is leading the charge up to higher price. King dollar. What do you have with King dollar? King dollar, once again, just can't handle higher price, folks. And I suspect what you have with King dollar is this, is that the amount of sellers inside that King dollar, I suspect, it's all about China. China, basically has a huge amount of reserves. Bottom line is that in order to keep the yuan at a stable price, they're more than likely sellers inside of this market. So what can you expect out here today? I expect when all said and done, the NDX 100 is going to lead this market down. Right now, it's a flat market. That's the one to watch out here. Now, if you happen to want gold coins, silver coins, Everbank has an amazing deal on them. What it is this. Gold, $75 over spot per ounce. Silver, $7 over spot per ounce. That's all in, meaning delivered to wherever you want them delivered. Everbank's phone number is 855-750-4051. Or you can visit everbank.com/TFNN. Have a great day. Have a safe day. Look forward to speaking right back here tomorrow, 10 o'clock in the morning. Today, it's hard to tell if the economy is coming or going. Regardless, I want my money going in the direction I choose. If that's your stance as well, then you want to know how Everbank can help keep your money thriving just the way you want. Is growing your money a priority? Everbank is committed to a yield pledge promise to pay high yields on your checking, money market, and CD balances. Looking to diversify? Everbank ingeniously developed accessible ways to spread your money around the world into foreign currencies and even non-FDIC insured metals. And when it comes to your wealth, they bring a highly experienced and global perspective to help you manage it. Everbank's financial philosophy flies in the face of the status quo. They believe your money's performance should not be determined by today's economic circumstances, but by the drive to rise above them and create opportunities that favor your objectives. If that excites you like it does me, visit everbank.com/TFNN to find out what they can do for you. Again, that's everbank.com/TFNN. Visit them today. Everbank is a member FDIC and equal housing lender.